Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mark Napalmosot. Today I am going to solve circle. Okay na? Start. Okay, I will start solving this H and key is our center, and this one will be our variable. We're going to start solving it. C 4 5 R equals 5. This is our H, and this is our key. Okay, we're going to simplify it. Copy this one, X. Then our H is 4 and it is negative, so we'll put parenthesis on it. Negative 4 squared plus, copy this one, plus and then copy Y. Our W of key is 5. It is negative 5, so we'll put parenthesis on it. Negative 5. Don't forget the square. And then our R is 5. Or R is 5. 5 squared. Negative times negative equals, X. Negative plus negative times negative equals positive 4. It will going to turn to positive 4 square plus Y. Copy this one, Y. Negative times negative equals positive. Copy 5 squared equals, our R is 25 is 5. We're going to multiply it to itself. 5 times 5 equals 25. And then we'll proceed to the second procedure. C parenthesis O 3 R equals square 2. Okay, we'll now solve it. Copy X equals, I forgot, sorry. This is our H and this is our key. Our W of H is 0 squared plus, copy this Y. I mean here Y, and then the value of key is 10, so 10 equals, I know what it says, Okay, and then our r is square root of 2. Square root of 2. Square root of 2. And don't forget to raise it to the second power. Second power. X minus 0 equals x squared plus copy y get minus 10 squared. we when we when we square a radical, murag i-cancel ang bali ni sila, kini ug kini cancel, so mahimo ni siya og 2 equals 2. That's all, ma'am.